Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Quizlet study set. If you don't have an account, it's really simple to create one, but assuming that you've already got one, you simply need to log in, which will take you directly to the dashboard where you can view your latest activity, as you can see here. If you're a new user, you may want to take some time to explore Quizlet for study sets created by other students, and when you're ready, click to create your own. Notice that you can import data from other sources, and you can choose to make your study set available to everyone or not, and editable only by yourself or not. This is important to note in case you and some of your classmates decide to make the task of creating study sets a collaborative effort, which I highly recommend. As they say, many hands make light work. All you need to do is enter a suitable title and get started entering terms and definitions if you want to create a study set for standard vocabulary. You're going to proceed a little differently with collocations. Let's take a look at a study set that I created earlier, for example. I chose to call this Collocations List A simply because I've included headwords from the academic collocations list that begin with the letter A. As you can see, there are already 9 terms in this set. And as I scroll down, you can see that I've selected the headwords academic, accurate, and alternative. I entered the headwords as terms, as you can see on the left, and the associated words as definitions. You can see them all listed on the right. But you can also do the opposite, as you'll see in a moment. I'm clicking on Edit to add a few more words or terms, and I'll scroll down to the bottom and just add those in. And you'll notice I'm doing something a little bit differently here. I'm entering the headwords as definitions and the associated words as terms. So either way, it'll work out the same for you. Quizlet realizes that the terms that they're matching, items, and will treat them as such as you do the activities. So I clicked on Done because I was editing, but if you were creating a new list, you would click on Create when you were finished. And that's all there is to creating a study set in Quizlet. You can share the study set with classmates by sending them the link so they can join you in the fun of learning collocations with Quizlet, or you can share on Facebook or Twitter. Now you can get started creating your own study set.